Assalamu alaikum viewers. Here I want to share the beautiful memories of the summer before last year. I believe it was the lockdown time, and then I missed my country and my village life, and then I tried to make something that which made me happy, and then I cooked some meat on the coals and some rice with black peas on the coal, and then I invited my friends. They came over and they enjoyed as well, and they liked the food. Please give me feedback, and if you like, and then please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.